How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Post. It's done in a gorgeous turquoise and white, factory colors. Super nice little car, guys. Clean, original panel car. So it's got the stainless grille, all the grille moldings look like new, all the emblems, parking lights. Bumper's been re-chromed. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. It's got the optional stone guard rocker molding. It's got the gas door guard. So all the taillight bezels been replaced. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. The previous owner did the third brake light there in the deck lid, and did a double bulb in the tail lights. It's got the bow tie tail light lenses. You know, these old 55s, the tail lights are really hard to see, but with it updated, makes it real nice. It's got some very nice custom hand pinstripe, tastefully done. Got a 30 over 350 aluminum intake, a Holley dual feed carb with electric choke, ceramic coated headers, power steering, power disc brakes, nice aluminum radiator. It's all detailed nice under the hood. It's even got a bug screen for the front of the radiator, which when you get to the shows, it just velcros in place. Take it out. It's got 700 R4 overdrive trans with lockup converter. Very, very nice interior in the car. Headliner's real nice, tight. Been updated with front and rear seat belts. They kind of did a little bit of a custom interior in it, but it's all factory style. It's actually got 57 turquoise and black cloth. The jams are all real nice. Trunk's all carpeted nice. Got the factory jack spare. It's got CD changer and the AM FM stereo, front and rear speakers. Nice trio of gauges under the dash. It's got B&M performance shifter that works correct with the 700R overdrive trans. Okay, it's a really nice car, all tinted glass. Fires right up. Wipers, everything work. It's a super cool car. The previous owners owned it for 22 years. It was his pride and joy. Real good sound and flow master exhaust. Okay, real nice car. Car's real straight down the sides. Paint's beautiful. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You also follow us on Facebook. It's a good looking car. Got nice SS Craigers on it. great day, folks.